We have already solved some problems from chapter 1, radar and navigation aids. We will solve now some more problems. There is a problem with a CW transmission frequency of 5 GHz. Calculate the Doppler frequency seen by the stationary radar when the target is having radial velocity of 100 km per hour. Now we will find the solution. It is given the transmission frequency of transmission is 5 GHz. This is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 9 Hertz. And it is given that the radial velocity is 100 km per hour. So radial velocity VR is equal to 100 km per hour. This is equal to 100 into 10 to the power 3 meter per 1 hour is 60 into 60 second. So this comes to be 100 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 60 into 60 meter per second. And this is coming to be 27.8 meter per second. To find the Doppler frequency, we will use the formula Doppler frequency FD equal to 2VR divided by lambda, where VR is the radial velocity. It is already given 100 km per hour or 27.8 meter per second, and lambda we have to find. Lambda is the wavelength lambda is c by f, where c is the velocity of light divided by the transmission frequency. And if we put the value of velocity of light to be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the transmission frequency is already given 5 into 10 to the power 9 Hertz. So lambda is coming to be 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 5 into 10 to the power 9. It will be around 0.06 meter. Putting these values of lambda and VR in the formula for Doppler frequency FD equal to 2VR by lambda, we can get the Doppler frequency as, therefore Doppler frequency FD equal to 2VR divided by lambda. This is equal to 2 into VR is 27.8 meter per second divided by lambda is coming to be 0.06 meter. And finally this will be 927 divided by second, or that is 927 Hertz. This is the answer.